All right, so now we are on to our Whissel Widget of the week. Each week, we like to spotlight a tool, a service, a gadget, a gizmo, basically a widget that we use that we want to share with you to make your life easier, better, more fun, whatever. That seems about right.
That seems about right.
All right, so Kyle always makes me go first, so I'm going to make you go first. Tom, what is your Whissel Widget of the week?
Okay, 1 second. I'm grabbing it.
Those that are watching on YouTube, you can see it.
All right. So my widget is, I can't remember the actual name of the bag, and I know it's horrible, but it's made by Lowepro, used by one of my favorite YouTubers, Peter McKinnon. Actually, I don't know if he still uses it, but I love it. And it's just a little camera bag that goes inside of my camera bag. And I know that sounds weird. I did it wrong. I was supposed to...
That's fine. I'm going to do it
it's
wrong.
My first time. It's my first time, guys. Don't. But it's really cool. So basically, it's a bag that's a camera bag, but goes inside my bigger camera bag. And what I use it for, what I really love it for, is what I call gubbins. So all the little stuffs that, don't have a place, you just kind of toss in.
Basically, it's your purse.
Yeah.
Men don't have purses. Photographers typically don't have purses. But this is basically your purse.
Yeah.
You throw all your stuff.
And it's great. Like, if you look at it, so like I said, normally for like a mirrorless camera or something, but I use it to organize my batteries, my memory cards. Up here I got all my wires and things I need for my cameras or charging cables. And then up here I have some zip ties because sometimes you just need zip ties.
Do you have gaffer's tape in there?
I have gaffer's tape in my bag.
Okay.
Proper.
So I have the same thing. I use a lot of, mostly for my charging stuff.
Yeah.
So if I have all the cables with all different connectors, so if my phone or any of my tools batteries die, I can plug them in.
Yeah. And it's great. Like, it's all contained in this little thing. You slide it into your camera bag or whatever. If you need something, you just pop it out. I have 2 of them, so I can slide it. And that one I use for little lights and stuff I carry, and I can pop that in. So it's just nice to have dedicated bags for different things, and you grab depending on what projects you have. And that's my widget. It's a cool little Lowepro camera bag, and I'll put a link in the description.
Cool. So my widget is a tool that will allow you to use different parts of your computer, depending on the program, by having more of a tactile feel. We're used to the mouse and keyboard, but there's some things that I find I do better with having a more tactile feel. And I think you can see it on the table here. It's called the palette gear. Oh, it's magnetized.
Yeah.
Well, it's right here. It's called the palette gear. And what it is, it's a series of sliders and dials and buttons that I can use with different programs to make my workflow easier. So, for example, when I'm editing video, I have these dials here dedicated for my color correction. I have when I'm using internet or Chrome, I have this set for my computer volume, this dial, and then I have buttons for open new tabs, play, stop, stuff like that. So this is a really cool tool. It was more of a want than a need, to be completely honest.
Yeah, I found it and I was like, I'll check out this really cool thing.
And I think the first words I said to you were, "Don't show it to me."
I showed it to you. And then you ended up getting it, and I didn't because I was like, I can't afford it.
Yeah. So it's not cheap, but it's really cool. It definitely does help. I use it the most when I use color correcting. So I can use this one. I mean, if you really want to know, this is my blacks, this is my whites, this is my shadows, this is my highlights, exposure, and vibrance is how I have it kind of set up. So I can do that all with my knobs and sliders rather than going through and mouse and clicking. Cool.
We made it.
A little long on this one.
A little long.
If you guys like this, if you want to share it with your friends, cool. If you want to leave a review, cool. If you want more information like this, see past episodes, see our YouTube channel, which is really going to get popping in 2020. Or check out our Facebook group. Go to thewhisselway.com. It's a landing page that can direct you to all those things. Anything that we want you to know about, we will put on there. So thanks so much for watching. We will catch you next week on The Whissel Way.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.